Hi, and welcome to Next. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Creative Optimization. Creative Optimization allows you to automatically prioritize your best performing creatives based on real-time performance. First, open the campaign you want to optimize in the Next Campaign Manager. From the left-hand menu, navigate to DCO Tools and select Creative Optimization. Next, choose where you want to publish the ad. Then, select your optimization metric. You can optimize based on click-through rate or engagement rate. Now, add the creatives you want to include in the optimization. Simply drag and drop your creative assets into the Creative Optimization module. You don't need to add every creative from the campaign, only the ones you want the system to test and optimize. For best results, we recommend using creatives with the same dimensions. Once your creatives are added and your settings are selected, click Export. The exported DCO tag will start serving creatives randomly at first. As performance data is collected, the system automatically increases delivery of the best performing creatives. And that's it. You've successfully set up creative optimization using Next's DCO tools. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner or send an email to support@next.com.